In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate rows in Power BI. This is a quick and useful technique to know, especially when you're working in Power Query and need to repeat existing records without manually copying data. The good news is that the process is simple once you know where to click, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you can follow along with your own dataset. To begin, open Power Query for the table that contains the data you want to duplicate. Make sure you're in the query where the original rows are already visible, because this is where the transformation will happen. If your data is loaded into Power BI, you can access this by opening the query editor and selecting the correct table from the panel. Once you're there, go to the top menu and click on Add Column. This section lets you create new columns based on formulas, custom logic, or transformations. From the Add Column options, choose Custom Column. This will open a formula window where you can define the content of the new column. At this point, simply copy the formula text into the Custom Column formula box. This formula is what creates the structure needed to duplicate the rows later in the process. You can also give the new column a name before confirming. It's a good idea to choose a clear name so it's easy to recognize, especially if your query already has several columns and transformation steps. After you've pasted in the formula and named the column if needed, click OK. You'll now see the new column added to your table. The values in this column are important because they contain the expandable data that will allow the row duplication to happen. Next, go to the new column and click the small icon on the right side of the column header. This is the expand icon. When the menu appears, select the option to expand to new rows. As soon as you do that, Power Query will duplicate the rows based on the contents of that custom column, and that's it. Your rows have now been duplicated directly inside Power Query. If you're following along, take a moment to review the result and make sure the duplicated rows appear the way you expected. This method is helpful because it keeps the process repeatable and built into your query steps, which means it can be refreshed automatically later. It's a clean and efficient way to handle row duplication in Power BI.